Hey guys, welcome back to another quick how-to. So today I'll be teaching you on how to withdraw money from PrizePicks. So you can see here the requirements and below that you have the withdrawal process described. So after you meet your playthrough requirements, you can request a minimum withdrawal of at least $10 to withdraw. So make sure to you are signed into your account. So this is a link you can click on. This open to a new tab and you would be able to log into your account, then navigate to settings and view all options. And once you've managed that, simply click the request withdrawal and enter the amount you want to take out, and that means of receiving it. And here is also a screenshot on how that looks like. So below that you can see once your withdrawal is approved, you have two different choices to get your money, which is a bank transfer or card withdrawal, which could be Amazon or Amazon card, for example, and the price picks withdrawal in Canada. So if you're from Canada, make sure to read this paragraph, and then that's still. And when everything doesn't work, then you can also go to the support. So as you can see in the background of the screenshot, you are this user and this is your dashboard, and then in the bottom right corner of the page you would see a chat icon, and if you click on this box will open up and you can chat with a live chat support. So basically they can help you out if nothing works. Now a reason why this doesn't or it shouldn't work can be that you are new to price poll. So note that their banking partnership implemented fraud control that holds new deposits for 5 days from the date of deposit posting to your account. So after the 5 days settlement, your funds can be withdrawn. The second reason could also be that you're a new user and you're trying to withdraw more than $2,000 at a time. So those are the things that you need to know in order to withdraw money from PrizePicks. So that's a wrap. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more quick how-to videos next time. Adios.